Hey everybody, welcome back to, I guess, episode 2 of the push mower series. This customer says that it runs, but it shakes really bad, and then he wants us to kind of fix these wheels. Or wheels are kind of loose. And so, first thing I want to check is the blade. Most of the time, anytime these push mowers vibrate, it's something to do with maybe a bent blade or something. So let's check the blade. Oh, okay. Yeah, come check this out. So, vibration is caused by being missing part of the blade. So that is why it is vibrating. So let's get a new blade put on here, and then we can tighten up the wheels, and that might be all for this one. Let's get into it. Alrighty, let's get this blade off of here. Yep, it's missing that whole chunk there. Let's go get a new blade. All right, here's a new blade, and you can see the difference. Definitely a big difference. So let's get this string pulled off of here first. Okay, we got all the string out. Now let's put the new blade on. Okay, so while we got it flipped up right here, this is the one that's loose. This bolt right here is loose. The bracket itself is tight. The wheels are just a little wore out, but this whole bracket itself is loose. So we'll try to tighten this bracket here and get it working. All right, let's see. Yeah, it was just a little loose. Nice and snug now. Wheels just a little wore out, but that's normal on an older push mower. Let's check these here. Nice and tight. Tight. Nice and tight. Okay. Let's flip it over and see how it runs. All right, now that we've got the partial blade removed and the new blade put on there, the wheel tightened up, let's crank it up, see if it runs smooth, if there's no vibration, and make sure it's good to go. All right, now that we got the new blade on there, we're going to test it out. All right, another one fixed. This one was a good quick fix. And so thanks for watching the video. Give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you when we fix the next one.